How much water should I drink after exercising?
In this video, we'll explore how much water you should drink after exercising to stay hydrated and optimize your recovery. Proper hydration is essential for optimal performance and overall health, so it's important to know how to replace the fluids you've lost during your workout.
Why is hydration important after exercise?
Hydration is crucial for maintaining body temperature, transporting nutrients, and removing waste products. Dehydration can lead to muscle cramps, dizziness, and reduced performance. Drinking enough water after exercise helps you recover faster and avoid injury.
How much water do I lose during exercise?
The amount of water you lose during exercise varies depending on factors like temperature, humidity, intensity, and duration. A good rule of thumb is to weigh yourself before and after exercise to determine your fluid loss. Each pound lost corresponds to about 16 ounces, 473 milliliters, of water.
How much water should I drink after exercising?
For every pound of body weight lost during exercise, aim to drink 16 to 24 ounces, 473 minus 710 milliliters, of water. It's important to drink slowly and not chug large amounts of water at once, as this can lead to overhydration. Listen to your body and adjust your water intake accordingly. Some individuals may need more or less water depending on their specific needs.
What if I can't weigh myself?
If you don't have access to a scale, a good starting point is to drink 8 ounces, 237 milliliters, of water for every 15 to 20 minutes of exercise. Remember to monitor your thirst and adjust your water intake accordingly. The color of your urine can also be a helpful indicator. Aim for pale yellow, which indicates proper hydration.
Are sports drinks necessary?
Sports drinks can be useful for replacing electrolytes and providing energy during long, intense workouts. However, they can also be high in sugar and calories. For most people, water is sufficient for hydration after exercise. Drinking enough water after exercising is crucial for optimal recovery and performance. Aim to drink 16 to 24 ounces, 473 minus 710 milliliters, of water for every pound of body weight lost during exercise, and listen to your body's thirst signals to determine the appropriate amount of water for you. Remember that water is usually sufficient for hydration, but sports drinks can be beneficial for long, intense workouts. Stay hydrated and happy exercising.